Hello and welcome to my video blog. Today we want to have a look at the macro capabilities of Delphi. For this reason I open a project. So I here show you what I want to do. I have here a record with some constants in it, and instead of typing all these constant names and input the strings, I want to use a macro to save typing work. These constant names that you see here are names of fields in a database for a special table. And I want to do similar work for another table. So I first open my database program and choose a table where I want to have the field names, and copy this simply into the clipboard. So, and then I can insert it here. I will name this record TPC for components, and insert then here this what I've copied to the clipboards. At first I do simply manually work, but that's very easy, just to bring the field names a line after each other, and it's a little bit easier to demonstrate how we go on with the macro. So, and now let's start to record the macro. So at first I set the cursor to the beginning of the line with pressing the home key. Now I press the record button, and now I simply use Control and arrow right, holding then the Shift key and the Control key, and press again the arrow right. Then I leave only the Control key and hold the Shift key, going one to the left, and then pressing Control C to copy. Then I press the right arrow key, one back, and enter one blank, and input this, and pressing Control V to insert this, enter this, and I put the arrow down and pressing the home key, so I have the same situation when we start the previous recording. So we can stop the recording now and press here the stop button, and now you can see this play button is green. That means we can start to play our record. I press once and you see the work is done. I press sometimes more and you see it's very fast, and I press it so often how I need this. Yeah, and the work is done and I save a lot of typing here. So, and I want you to show also what the advantages are of this kind of record creating. For example, use it here with this record. I have already here a table and where I access some fields, and instead of typing project IDE to the field name here, I enter then, I have it already done here, TPR, pressing the point, and the auto-completion show me then the members of this record, and I can easily select this and save also a lot of typing, and I will type this wrong, so I avoid to press the wrong field name, and avoid also to choose a member name that's a name that's not part of this table or this record here instead. So I hope this little trick will give you some ideas how you can also use this macro functionality, and I hope this will save you a lot of time with your work. That was all for today. Bye bye.